Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. We know that we can apply about Taylor series. So we have e to the power of s equal to 1 plus s over 1 factorial, s squared over 2 factorial, s to the power of 3 over 3 factorial, and so on. So we put this series in here. Now we have negative s, that's about s over 1 factorial in here, and negative number 1, that's it with number 1 in here, so they will cancel. Next we have s squared divided by s squared, s to the power of 3 divided to s squared, and so on in here, and we will get the new series. That should be about 1 over 2 factorial, s over 3 factorial, s squared over 4 factorial, and so on. We know that s approach to 0, so this equal to 0, 0, and 0. And now we just have only 1 over 2 factorial, and that should be about 1 over 2. That's the end. Thank you for watching.